First stop is lunch dito sa Yam's Lomi House. So salamat sa aming kaibigan na si Kelly na nag-recommend ng place. Looks good sa dami ng tao. It's just 11:30.
Fried siopaw.
Parang paano ka hindi mapapagod,
Fried
di ba? Fried siopaw.
Fried siopaw.
But it looks
Fried
good.
siopaw.
Di ba siya napapangal?
Fried siopaw. Fried
So this is the
siopaw.
fried siopaw in action.
Fried siopaw. Fried siopaw.
Ito freshly
Fried
fried.
siopaw.
Freshly fried siopaw.
Fried siopaw. Fried siopaw.
Thank you.
All good. Oh, ganda ng papasok ko din. Sana.
Your destination is on the right.
So this is the famous red barn and the windmill, which is the reception area. Okay, it's 12:50, almost 1 p.m. and it's kind of hot. So we arrived 1:22, and it's 40 minutes early kaysa sa actual check-in time. Ha? What? Hello. So for the time being, while maghihintay pa kami ng check-in, dito muna kami sa Harvest Cafe kasi I need to prepare for some calls and may internet daw dito. So, good. Okay, so I'm making my way to the villa after spending almost 2 hours in the cafe kasi meron pa akong kailangan tapusin work. Now that the work is done, I can continue later on. So, dahil nauna sila, hindi ko alam kung anong cottage number namin. And hinahanap ko pa since wala kaming phones. Oh, hindi sila sumasagot sa messenger. I am going to try to find where they are. But these are the cottages. Look nice. So this is our cottage. And there are a lot of chirping birds and small trees, bougainvilleas. Good. There are also pine trees over here. See that? Pine trees in Batangas. Interesting. So ito yung aming cottage. Sa booking, it could fit 3 adults and 2 kids. So kami ay, ilan ba kami? 5 adults and 2 kids. Yung isa, si Sedi, na technically hindi naman talaga nag-occupy ng space kasi nakikitabi lang siya sa amin. So there is a parking space right at the cottages, so you don't have to walk a long path para ma-reach nyo yung cottages. So up, there they are, sleeping, pagod sa biyahe. And this is the loft, which has only 1 bed
And look at that strange picture.
for Buy Buy.
Look at that
This one? What is this?
strange picture.
Strange picture. And what do you see when you open the window? It's nice here.
Peace. I took a
Oh, okay. You see the neighborhood.
picture after the
And then from here, you see them
So
sleeping. Hi. Are you ready to roam around?
yeah.
Check the place. Okay. Cottages. And this is the pathway papalabas ng accommodation. On the left-hand side ko, andyan yung swimming pool. Na-excited na yung dalawa na mag-swimming. Okay, let's see what's in store for us today. Ito pala yung area kung saan merong movie night later. Meron ding bonfire activity para sa mga bata, para sa mga family. I think the bonfire accessories ba? Or yung mga gagamitin like yung skewers, pati yung marshmallows, they can be purchased separately. At ito naman yung playground. So, malapit lang din siya. A minute or less than a minute walk from the cottages. So, this is the Harvest Cafe. Ito yung restaurant and dito rin yung place for breakfast. So, tomorrow morning, we'll have breakfast. Siyempre, alam nga namang gabi. So, this is the Harvest Cafe. Banda dun sa likod ng mga pine trees. And I am making my way back to the entrance. Gusto kong balikan yung barn kasi kanina when we enter, medyo ako, nagmamadali kasi my call is already approaching na at that time. Hindi nakakuha ng magandang shot. So mayroong mini bridge at ang maliit na bridge na to ay masukal. So ayun, may tubig pala. May tubig. Pero masukal. Hindi naman karumihan kasi kadalasan ay puro dahon yung nandoon. Masukal siya. At medyo may konting amoy. Ayan. Ayan. At may nagpo-photoshoot. So, may nagpo-photoshoot sa barn. Maraming prenuptial shooting ang mga ginagawa dito. Right. So, ito yung barn. I think it's an events place.
Nice! Very nice!
And this is the windmill. The windmill is the reception area. Sa likod pala yung pinasukan namin kanina. So let's go in front kung anong itsura ng windmill. Ito na ang windmill on my right. And then the barn is right there. Yan. Walang mga hayop sa loob kasi siya, it's for events purposes, multi-purpose hall. And this is the windmill. So, paano ko ba na-discover to? Paano ba ako napunta dito? Kasi every time we go home, since nag-stay na kami sa Pasig, which is another city, naghahanap kami ng something different to do sa Manila, within the Manila area, na hindi na kailangan mag-travel. So, isa sa mga activities na naisip ko is a farm experience para sa mga bata in which hindi siya beach, hindi rin siya bundok. So, naghanap ako ng farm experience and nakita ko sa Google itong Old Grove Farmhouse. Oh, look at that! So, dito, may duck feeding. Galing. Mamaya yung mga bata mag-duck feeding. Look at that. Tapos may mga tupa, kalapate, the pigeons are there. Sheep. Oh, they would love this later. These are the sheeps. Amazing. Look at that. They're grazing. Ganda. Medyo mainit na lang ngayon, no? This is 1st of May. Medyo mainit. Oh, they would be happy to see the mangoes on the mango tree. Kaya ano itsura ng barn? The events hall. So, glass pala siya sa likod. And meron pang maliit na house by its side. Mapaligiran ng mga puno. Ito, yung mga ducks na for sure, they are very much used to people feeding them. Ganda. Ngayon lang uli ako nakakita ng mga gantong pato. Yung dilaw talaga yung beak. Tapos ito, these are the boats na for rent. Para sa mga nagpo-photoshoot. So, you can bring it into the water and palutang-lutang lang kayo dun. Marami palang boats na available. Akala ko isa lang. Right? This is the hanging bridge. Which I think, kailangan ko nang dalhin yung mga bata later or ko explore. Okay, so this is how it looks. Very, very, very picturesque from this side. Andun yung barn, ito yung pond, ayun yung mga kalapate at pato, and the people are feeding them. On the green side naman yung mga tupa at they're grazing through the grasses, tapos may mga pine trees on the background. Galing. Okay, so pabalik na tayo dun sa area ng mga cottages. Again, passing by the windmill, the barn. Ayan yung pool area. Mamaya na tayo dyan pagkasama natin yung mga kids. And then this is the other way pabalik ng cottages. Right? Yun. If you could see that cottage. So, yung cottage number 4 is just the one right behind it. Tapos, eto na tayo. Babalik na tayo sa ating temporary tuluyan dito sa Old Grove.
Sheep, come here!
Jonathan,
They're fighting. Don't touch that basket. No more?
give some to mommy.
It's your friend's butt.
Put it in your hand.
Are you having fun?
Oh,
They try to
I want a boo-boo.
Can I go like this or no? No! It's like hit you.
Where's the koi fish? Oh, okay.
And look, there's many fish here also.
Oh, lots of fishes.
They're also eating fish.
Yeah.
For you. Say quack, quack, quack.
Okay, so we are going to the hanging bridge. This one.
Not that scary.
There's Little House Garden, Animal Village. There's the viewing deck there on the side. So there's also Animal Village.
More animals.
Oh, there's turkey. Come, turkey.
I don't want to go on that bridge.
No, look, I will try. No, it's okay. It's okay, Aya. Oh, look at these. No, it can. It can.
I'm just so scared.
Kaya mo yan.
You're so smart.
Continue, ate.
It's not even scary.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. I could do it. Come on, I
Come on.
believe in you.
Do it.
It's not even that scary.
Don't hold here na lang. Dire-diretso ka lang. Yan. Go. See? You did something. Go there. Good. Something for the first time. Perfect.
Go.
So this is what you saw kanina.
Yeah.
Where are the sheeps? Okay. So these are the turkey. Mulberry yata. Mulberry. Oo. May kumakain dito? Sige nga. Baka naman. Oh, pwede ba yan? Maasim. This is golden flower. Paborito ni Lola. Ayun, nakakita yung isa ng wishing well. So, takbo agad.
Lalagay ka pa ng tubig pag
Ay,
pag naglagay ka ng coin.
wala, natuyo na. Okay.
Pag naglagay ka coins with water.
You need to donate water. Okay. Oh. Go, Queen. Yes, yes. So this is the Harvest Cafe. This is the Alfresco. And they also have, of course, the inside Harvest Cafe. Ay, hindi ko alam. Baka sa labas lang. This is Harvest. Look at that. Look, boy. There's a huge chess board. There's a huge chessboard, right? Yun agad. Ayun na. Game. Ayan na. Yeah, we can play. Yan, so ginutom na kami sa paglilibot. Bili muna ng merienda sa Harvest. Ito ang interiors ng... Siya, you want to order that? Mas malakas ang internet dito kasi sa atin. Ha? Yeah, we'll swim na. We'll go back to the cottage. And around the farm, marami rin iba't ibang klaseng mga bulaklak. If you are a flower fanatic, tulad ng mga to, yan, and syempre, classic bougainvilleas. And off they go. Yeah. Everywhere we go, lagi, hindi mawawala ang swimming. Bababad sa pool. Ate, doon kayo. So, is the water deep? Is the pool deep?
I'm gonna go swimming.
Yan, tapos na silang mag-swimming. It's about 6:30. Ito na ang itsura ng cottage area.
Dad is gonna show me a jelly.
Convenience store.
Oh, the jelly! Hello, guys.
Folding bed that we requested extra. And doon matutulog si there. Yung nakikita niyong liwanag doon, liwanag ng screen. Kasi merong movie showing. So there's a movie showing. Ano na ate? Wicked? So movie night, Wicked. It started already like half an hour ago. Yeah, this is done by the pool lang. Yeah.
Now it's the real boy to bike talking.
I'm not sure. Look, it's full moon and it's 8 p.m. and it's full moon and no one is literally here. It's just us. Good morning. It's 5:22 a.m. The sunrise is 5:34. So I woke up this early because I wanted to see how the sunrise looks in the farm. And it's not cold and it's not hot. There's a bit of humidity I could feel. And then I like the sound of the chirping birds. I don't know if you could hear it clearly, but there's a lot of them surrounding me, right? So instead of the chickens, which is on the other side of the farm, we can't hear them. We hear these chirping birds. Even inside, you could clearly hear them. So what I'll do is before the sunrise, I'll take you around. Maybe I would jog for a bit, walk, and see how the farm looks at dawn. So this is the pool area. There is the pool area, and on my left side actually is a wall. Behind it is the small, not river, but maybe canal. A canal, yeah, where there's really not too many water on it. We are walking past the area for the bonfire, which didn't happen last night, and the movie night. Oh, here, there's a lot of chirping birds, right? This is the playground. Let's see. I'll take you closer because yesterday I wasn't able to take a good shot of, take a good video of this. A good choice of facilities for kids, I would say. Right? Then let's walk past the cafe. Which way? So this is the way out. This is the way to the village, and this is the way to the other side of the farm. Animal houses where chickens, turkey, and peacocks stay. Let's go there. Ito, naglalakad na tayo sa sa likod. I think no, sa harap ng barn. Okay, the famous red barn. Siya dinadayo siya dito mainly for this and for the windmill, which is the reception area para nga sa mga photoshoot. Okay, which is magpo-photoshoot dapat kami. We would have brought our own photographer, pero nasabihan kami na merong photoshoot rate na kailangan naming bayaran, which is 12,000 pesos, 12,500 pesos for an additional photographer at para makapag-post kami dito sa loob ng farm. So, we call that off. Sayang. Okay. Kung tired ka na sa cityscape, sa puro na lang, ano bang tawag dito? Puro na lang mga buildings ang nakikita mo or so stressed ka na, this will definitely give you a relief. You know, could relax. Kahit walang masyadong activity na magagawa. I think that's the purpose eh. You don't have to do anything. Just stay here, enjoy the view, interact with the animals, few of the animals, and that's it. You know, okay. This is the way to the hanging bridge. This is the way to the hanging bridge. So, halika, daanan natin. Tapos mamaya, kasama natin si Buiboy. Kasi ito yung pinakagustong-gusto niyang part. Punta tayo sa kabilang side ng farm where we can see the little house garden, animal village, yung water tank, yung view deck. Yun ang hindi pa natin napuntahan pala. Tsaka yung mga restrooms. Tara, daan tayo dito sa hanging bridge. Ayun! And very interesting na ang dami nitong mga ganitong puno. Mulberry, look at this. No? Sikat na sikat yan sa Dubai eh. Lalo yung mga kaopisina kong taga ibang bansa. They are fond of eating that fruit. Okay, ito yung hindi namin napuntahan kahapon. This is where the chickens are. Ayun, ang mga chickens. Ayun ang mga chickens. Puntahan natin sila. Ah, ang galing. Oh, may mga lovebirds din. May mga lovebirds. Ayan, oh. I don't know if you could clearly see. Hello. At iba't ibang klaseng manok. Puntahan natin. Yan, pwede kang bumaba dito at makita sila ng malapitan. Ano yung mga, anong tawag dito sa manok na to? Yung maraming balahibo. Yeah, hindi siya yung typical chickens na alam natin sa Pinas. Nang maingay yung kanyang tilao. Sige, akit na tayo. Sila, kita niyo sila? Ito, mayroong pigeon house. Ayun pala eh. Mga bahay ng kalapati. Kaya naman pala may mga kalapati dito kanina. Tapos meron ding mga mulberry. Tanungin nga natin yung katiwala kung tama ba ang hinala kong mulberry itong mga to. Dati-rate, lang eh. Dati-rate, aratilis lang eh. Tsaka mansanitas eh. Ngayon, mulberry. Ayun, ang shape. Ito yung mga pabo. Pero ibang klaseng turkey rin, ha. Hindi pa sila nakakawala. Kasi sa hapon, nakalabas na yan sila. Tapos, meron din sila ditong pool. Ito yung mga ibang ducks. At ito rin yung ibang mga sheep. Ayun. Okay. Hello. Hello, nasan si Sean? Tapos may mga ducks doon. Good morning. Okay. Ay, tatanong natin si Kuya kung anong puno yun. Kuya, tanong ko lang, yung mga puno na may bunga, mulberry ba yun?
Oo, yun rin. Ano ko?
Oo. Mulberry tawag. Sige, nakakain yung mga pula tsaka yung itim.
Yung pula ho, yung paklang.
Yung itim dapat.
Tawagin yung itim ho.
Sige.
Pero libre kayo mga.
Sige. Ito pwedeng umakyat dito.
Sige po.
Sige po. Sige. Thank you. Akyatin natin yung water tank. Oh, meron pa palang mga peacock. Look. Hello. Akyat tayo. Ayun, overlooking nga. Overlooking yung buong farm. Ayun, marami pa sa taas, kaso pong mga kalapati na yung nandun. So, ito ang makikita mo, pag umakyat-akyat ka pa ng kaunti. Yan. Magandang magabang ng sunrise dito. Kuya, meron bang kabayo dito?
Meron po doon sa kabila po.
Sa katabi ng mga tupa?
Oo, nandun banda po sa parking po.
Okay, sige. Salamat. Ayun yung hindi namin nakita. Ito daw. Yung... Ayan, itim. Tikman natin. So, ito yun. Malinis naman siya. Mulberry from the fruit. Imagine that. Sarap. It's not blackberry. Hindi raspberry for definitely. Hindi strawberry for sure. Kaiba, parang siyang matabang na blackberry. Mas matabang pa sa blackberry. Ang dami. Puntahan naman natin yung kabayo. May isang kabayo yata dito. Ayun, ang kabayo. So, nag-iisa nga lang siya. Ayan, bumabate. Hello, good morning. Maliit lang, parang pony, pero kabayo nga. Ayan. Hello, good morning. Maliit lang siya, payat. At wala siyang ibang kasama dito sa kanyang kwadra. And wala ring feeds na binibigay para sa kabayo. Para lang sa mga tupa at sa pato. So, okay, ayan, I think nag-sunrise na. Balik na tayo, tapos jogging tayo. Sama natin si Papa. Yun na. Yun ang sunrise. So, dun siya banda. Dun sumisikat ang araw. Ayan. Medyo palabas na si Mr. Sun. The sunrise is 5:34 ngayon, pero it's 5:49 na. Ngayon pa lang nagiging visible sa part na to ng farming sun. Right? But if you were there dun sa tower kanina, yung water tank, you would see the sunrise. Nasa likod siya ng mga bundok. Kaya ganito. Kaya medyo late siyang lumabas pag nasa baba ka. Okay, let's do it. Tapos, sanduin natin si Papa. Ito yung isa sa mga gusto kong spots dito sa farm. Maraming spots actually na may bench sa ilalim ng mga malalaking puno. Kasi dito pwede kang gumawa ng moments mo. Right? You can have your quiet time. You can reflect on things. Or just do nothing. Right? or tulad ng ginagawa ko ngayon, create content on these benches. Tapos, lakad-lakad ka. Good morning!
Wow. What if you eat the brown?
Very, very healthy.
Tamis? Hindi.
Hindi lang siya maas. Parang rapid. This one's sweet.
Today I'm eating the mulberries. Is it okay to eat the
Yeah, all.
mulberries?
Sour or sweet?
Sweet.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah. Hi.
Good morning, babe! That's the string beans, the one that we
Oh.
put. Diba? And look at the tomatoes. There's already
There's
one
a
orange.
yeah.
Go,
Can I get it?
touch it. No, don't get it. You won't do anything about it.
Yeah.
The red tomato. These are also beans.
Oh yeah, it's snow peas.
No, it's snow peas hindi. Parang snow
Peas.
peas. Parang baggy. It's peas.
This is tomato. And there's one red one.
Yes, there's one red.
Did you smile?
Yeah. Balik tayo dito sa windmill kasi naubusan tayo ng feeds. We'll buy extra. Hi! Pwedeng mag ng feeds? Padagdag na lang sa amin. Ducks lang, ducks. Thank you. The koi fish is mistaken. Am I a duck? Yeah. Ayun ang koi fish. The one and only koi fish.
Coffee! You get some for the people.
Babe, dito mas malapit.
Look. Halika na. Yes. Ayun na, umiyak na si Cedric. Here, boy, here. Paul. Look. Aya, good boy. We are...
In the pool!
I know, I mean... Nice one. We're in the pool. And the pool is surrounded by different kinds of trees. There are
Oh, it's such a dragonfly.
pine trees. Really?
Yeah.
Where? I need to show you some dragonflies. Where?
And I could be on my tippy toes.
Can you tell me, are you guys enjoying? You have star on your cheek.
Huh?
You have star on your cheek. Is it to hide pimple?
No,
Ay.
it's a pimple patch.
This guy It's making its way by tippy-toeing. Can you reach? Can you reach it?
Only on my tippy toes.
Okay, swim from here to there. Yan.
Oh, look, dragonfly.
Where?
Here.
It's 9:30 a.m.
Hi.
Oh.
Oh, Daddy, show me.
Show you what?
Show me on the camera.
Hello. Look at these
I
two.
have a rat on my back.
A pig with a rat? That's cute. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Now I want to go, Dama.
You are chilling. Tapos may mga dumadaang jets. What do you think are those?
I saw 5 planes at the same time. They're going, and I think it's the one plane from China.
Why are they from China? Why are they here?